this is Bart Walczak for Dash Studio. I'm here to show you the update for Conform Studio, a set of scripts that we have developed recently. The update mostly concerns the CS Conform script, and we have added a few more options that will make this script even more flexible. The first version of the script did automatically create a shots folder and put it into the parent folder of your composition, and right now we have added this field that you can either type another name, like for example precomps, and then it will create the same folder, or you can even create a folder in somewhere else in the structure and put it wherever you want, and then by clicking this button it's going to select this folder, and then all your compositions will be created here in this folder, as you will see in a moment. Next, we added two more options. One is if you are only pre-composing single layers, or for some reason you want to leave all the effects and attributes and scaling, pan and zoom, whatever you have in the main composition, then you simply click this option, leave attributes when pre-composing single layers, and then everything is going to remain here, similarly as you would do layer pre-compose as you would do with this. Of course, this only affects single layers. If you have overlapping layers, like here, it's not going to work because which stretch parameter you would like to leave, and so on and so on. So that's one option. And another option is we allowed compositions to inherit timecode from the layers. Of course, the single layers will inherit the timecode here, but if you have overlapping layers, like for example I have here for this shot, then I need to decide whether I want the timecode inherited from the topmost layer or from the bottom layer. And finally, you can save this option as defaults, so next time you open the script you will not have to choose the options that you use daily. So let me show you how this update works. First I'm going to uncheck the grouping options, and I'm going to make sure that everything goes into a single layer, and I'm going to disable the frame blend, and then I'm going to make sure that my composition is selected and simply click proceed. And as you can see, it's not grouping the layers, and the time stretch and all the markers, everything is remaining in the original composition. Okay, so let me stop that by pressing the escape key and then click Command Z to undo. And now let's do the opposite, so let's do the grouping and let's make sure that we inherit the timecode. So now hit proceed, and as you can see, the precompositions are added to the folder that I selected before. Okay, so it's collapsing the layers, and now let me undo, let me stop the execution and open this script, and it was the bottom layer, so let me turn on the timer mapping for this layer, and as you can see the composition starts with the timecode from the bottom layer. So that's the update. We also fixed a few minor bugs that were present in the script, and as you can see everything works even better now. This update is of course completely free for all the current Conform Studio customers. Enjoy!